Hello everyone, how to change administrator on Windows 11 PC. So go to the bottom side and click on the start button and search your settings, and here the best match settings search. Click on it. Then go to the left hand side and click on the accounts option, and here just scroll down and click on the others users option, and you can see here the one user already created tech zone. To change the account type, just click on this arrow and click on the account options, change account types. And here the one dialog box is open, change account type. Then in account type, the current account type here, standard user. To change the administrator, just click on this drop down arrow and select here administrator. After that, click on OK. And it's done. Here you can see the administrator local account. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.